Let's check out this 2026 Cruiser Yacht 42 GLS. The first thing you're going to notice is this thing is built to island hop. You have twin 600 V12 horsepower on the back. The motors will trim all the way out of the water, so if you wanted to store this thing in the water, you can bottom paint it, and certainly can. And then what you're going to notice is we have massive port and starboard transom doors that open up, completely open up this area. If you wanted to put some water toys right here, you can get right on. And you have an amazing space back here that you have two aft-facing lounger seats enjoying the shade of this massive sun. So the first thing you're going to notice when you walk into the cockpit of the 42 GLS is this thing is built for entertainment. We have a massive area here. You have twin refrigerators, trash, your sink. You also have a nice built-in grill here. This is AC and heat vents all the way around, television. Starboard side, we also have an ice maker, and just forward, we're going to have two nice bar stools that you can hang out. You also have a massive U-shaped seating here on the starboard side, high gloss teak table, very, very beautifully done. Let's walk up to the helm and see what we have. Now that we're at the helm, you can get a better shot of these two seats here. So you can be sitting here, basically enjoying the view and still part of the entire entertainment. The helm seat here is a very massive seat. So you have two comfortably seating here. You have your full helm, you have your Simrad electronics, your VHF radio, Rockford Fosgate stereo controls. We also have your throttle controls. Automatically on this one, we have auto trim for your motors, and then you do have your joystick JPO piloting, which is going to incorporate your skyhook feature and autopilot. Another really, really neat feature on this is this boat you can completely enclose up. You have a door that closes. The partition will close and the canvas won't close the back, so if you wanted to have AC and heat. But if you want it opened up, we have opening windows, both port and starboard, and a massive sunroof that opens up overhead. So as we walk forward, what I'd like to point out is if you're out on the water with some younger kids, very high gunnels here. You're inside the boat and they can easily assess the front while you're on plane running the boat. Up here, you're going to have forward-facing seats for two. You probably can squeeze a third person on this lounger over here. Another high-gloss teak table, lots of storage and access to the windlass. So in the lower level, we have your microwave. We have another refrigerator. We also have a spot for the television. The cockpit TV can come downstairs. And then you have a very large forward V-berth here that does convert into the bed. Beautifully appointed. Ton of storage all over here. And then we have a very large aft area that we can take a look at. So in the aft area, what you're going to notice is you have a queen-size berth back here, television, additional storage, and a lot of space overhead, so you don't really feel like it's a very small area.